Assalamualaikum friend, this is Muslim Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Engineering Solution. Today in this video we will discuss how to set units in AutoCAD software. So first of all you have to open your AutoCAD software. Now type UN in the command line. You can type units as well. Press enter. Here in the lens section you have to choose the desired unit type. That I have to choose architectural. Here you can adjust precision as well. Let I have to type this one. Here you can change units. Let I have to choose this inches. Now click on OK to apply. Now type D. You can see here dimstyle. Press enter. Now click on modify. Here you have to change primary units. Unit format. You have to change this to architectural. Accordingly you can change, and this one to this. Now click on OK to apply. Now we have to check. Let I have to draw a rectangle REC. Let this is a rectangle. Now we check its dimension DLI. Shortcut. We can see here units and feet and inches.